Suppose circle C has a center at -6, -11, and a radius of 15. We want to put the equation in standard form, which is what we did in the last section, and then we're going to multiply it out into general form. So remember our center is HK. So H is -6, and K is -11. And R is the radius, that's 15. So 15 squared. I'm going to simplify that up a little and write it over here. So I have x plus 6 squared minus 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 y plus 11 squared, and 15 squared is 225. So I'm going to go type that in. X plus 6 squared plus y plus 11 squared equals 225. Okay, now I need the equation in general form. So I'm going to rewrite these with what the squareds mean. The squared means you're timesing by itself. So it's x plus 6 times x plus 6 plus y plus 11 times y plus 11 equals 225. So we have binomials here. To multiply binomials, we multiply first ones, x times x squared. X times 6, 6x. And then the second term also has to go to both terms in the second binomial. 6 times x, 6 times 6. And then we're going to keep going. Same thing over here. Y times y, y squared. Y times 11, 11y, and same thing. This goes to both as well. So 11y, and then 11 times 11 is 121. Now we're going to combine stuff. So the middle two always combine. So I have x squared plus 12x plus 36 plus y squared. And again, the middle two combine. 11 plus 11 is 22 plus 121 equals 225. Now let's get it in general form. So x squared plus y squared. Those are out. Now my x term and my y term. So 12x and 22y. Now I have more like terms, 36 and 121. So when I add those together, I get 157. And that equals 225. I have to make it equal 0, though. That's part of general form. So I'm going to minus 225 on both sides, and I'm going to take that away from the 157, which is -68. So now it's in general form. I have x squared, x term, y term, constant equals 0. So that is what I'm going to type in. X squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 22y. Is that right? I'm going off memory. 12x, 22y minus 68 equals 0.